Hello friends, welcome to your YouTube channel Hot Genes. And here again we have came with a new part of the series Idiom and Phrases. So let's learn some more idioms and phrases. As many of our subscribers suggested to make shorter videos so that they can easily learn and remember these idioms and phrases after looking at the video for the very first time. So, we have not disappointed you and we have worked on it, and now I can guarantee that you will easily remember and the idioms and phrases which are taught in this video. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start learning. The first phrase is Monday blues. Since our school days, we have always seen that whenever it's Sunday evening, we start getting lazy feeling and sad vibes because, yes, it's Monday tomorrow. So, whenever someone is very sad about Monday due to the work or school commitment, then we say he or she is getting Monday blues. Let's see how we can use this phrase in a sentence. I need a day to get over the Monday blues. Yes, so someone is saying to get over the ill feelings or bad feelings about the work. A day will work. So, this is how we can use this very interesting idiom in the sentences. So, let's move to the next idiom. The next phrase is to feel blue. Actually, the word blue is used as to show sadness or sad feeling. So, to feel blue means when someone is feeling bad or when someone, due to some incidents or some happening, someone is feeling bad or depressed, we say it's a feeling of blue. Let's see how we can use this phrase to feel blue in a sentence. Hey, you look like you feel blue. All okay. So if you're seeing, if someone is looking very tired, so we can ask if he or she is okay because you're looking very sad. Another sentence can be framed like this. I was really feeling blue when she told that she was leaving. So, you get such a feeling when your close friend is leaving. So, this is how we can use this idiom. So, I hope you have understood the uses of both these idioms. Practice them well in your daily conversation to learn them by heart. So, till the next video, keep learning and practicing. God bless you all.